Welcome, everyone. This is Aruna Moore here. I'm the Chief Commercial Officer at Cryoport Systems. I know it's after lunch and not the best hour, but I hope you guys can stay. So we will start with who we are, Cryoport Systems. And just because we're a public-facing company, so we need to have the forward-looking statements. I'm not going to go into the details here. So who is Cryoport Systems? Many of you must know us as a logistics provider. We have grown, from being just a logistics provider to a global supply chain solutions provider. What that means for us is, our goal is to provide you reliable and comprehensive temperature control supply chain solutions, which includes all the way from providing logistics, bioservices, consulting. We can do it all for you, a one-stop shop. That's our goal, and we are building our facilities, our solutions to kind of deliver that kind of solution for you guys. So if Cryoport is we belong to the Cryoport Inc., which is our holding company, and we have 4 sister companies underneath Cryoport. Cryoport Systems is one I'm going to focus on today. MVE is the largest providers. They manufacture shippers and doors, the cryogenic shippers and doors. CryoPDP is the premium transportation provider. Recently, we just acquired Bluebird Express in the US, who specialize in cell and gene therapy. CryoPDP is very well known in the Europe, UK, and of course in the APAC region too. And Cryogene, which is out of our Houston facility in the US, and this particular facility is responsible for, it is more of a biorepository for us, but majority of our facilities are co-located with our sister companies to provide that kind of the end-to-end solutions to our clients. In terms of Cryoport Inc. overall, right, we are currently actively supporting 675 cell and gene therapy clinical trials. 44% of the phase 3, we work with the companies, in total in the cell and gene therapy space. We are globally in 50 locations, 17 countries, and we have grown tremendously in the past few years, and we are close to 1,200 employees now. And we are currently supporting 14 commercial cell and gene therapies, more than 3,000 plus clients globally. And it's amazing to see that we do over 1 million shipments every year, which is between us and our sister company, CryoPDP. As you can see here, the global map, and this is a combined map for all the sister companies at Cryoport Inc. We are pretty much in every continent. We have the presence, and you can see for the lot of locations, we are co-located with our sister companies, as I said, to provide the best solution and provide you the end-to-end solutions. And I'll go through some of the Cryoport system location as I talk about our service offerings. So as I said, Cryoport Systems originated 10 years back just as a logistic company, and now we have become an entire global, we are a platform solution now, providing end-to-end global supply chain solution, all the way from donor selection collection, which we just kind of announced that would be the match last year. We are about to start our cryopreservation services with Houston coming online very soon, in Texas, and then Liège in Belgium, which should be coming online by Q3 this year. Of course, we provide our bioservices, which is storage, pick, ship, fulfillment of your, shipping of the products. We also provide consulting services like lane validations, risk assessment for your lanes. If you want to kind of work with customized packaging, development of a new shipper, we provide all that. And many more solutions under the consulting. What we don't do is manufacturing. CDMOs are our partners, and we work very closely with them. And I think we have no intentions to go towards the CDMO route. So we leave it for the best folks to do that. But as you can see, we have come a long way from just being a logistics to a complete supply chain provider. So when it comes to, I'm just going to focus on each of our kind of offerings a little bit more. When it comes to shipping systems, we provide at different temperatures. We have our ultra cold elite line of which works at -60 to -80 degrees, which is mostly for the gene therapies. We also have the LN2 shippers, and then we also have the room temperature shipments, right after you kind of collect the patient material you're needing for, so we call those as our C3 solution. The best part about the solution is, we have a very rigorous quality control. We make sure that every shipper, once it comes back to us, we re-qualify it. It's clean through our very clean system. I don't think majority of the logistic providers, their shipments maybe are cleaned once a year, but our shipments are cleaned like every time it comes back to our logistics side. They go through a very rigorous cleaning process. As I said, the other part of our system, logistic provider system, is that there's a huge chain of compliance. We adhere to the ISO 21973 standards. And what that means is that you can trace each of our shipments. There is a history associated with the shipments. You know what material was in it, where was it. There is a whole history associated, and we can provide you that data. We have our Cryoportal, which is a 24/7 tracking system. You can track where your shipment is. We also have a live view of so you can actually see where it is on the flight path right now, what's going on. And along with that, if there are any shocks, any pressure issues with your shipment, everything will show up through our SmartPack solution. I've spoken to the slides. I'm going to skip over this one. The most recent and the current offering we have right now is the integrated sales solution. What is that, right? So this is all the way from donor selection to cryopreserving the material as you receive from the patient. And this is to reduce the variability in the patient material as it goes to the manufacturing, providing some standards on how to do cryopreservation. We will be launching this Q2, end of Q2 from our Houston facility in Texas. And as I said, we will also be launching this in Liège, Belgium, Q3 this year. When it comes to bioservices, we offer all the kind of entire range of our bioservices, from GMP storage to GMP from drug packaging leveling. If you want any kit production, we can do that for you. We also offer regulatory and consulting services, QP services here in Europe. We do biobanking. We can also do clinical sample management. We have a facility in France that's, they are very well known for their clinical sample management services out there. And of course, we can do any logistic, management services that comes with bioservices. In terms of bioservices, our two facilities in the US, one in New Jersey, Morris Plain, and the other one in Texas, Houston, both are up and running. And then we're looking to open, and we also have a facility right now in France that provides bioservices. We are opening doors just for our logistics right now with a smaller, footprint in Stevenage area, but we'll be opening a much bigger, close to 80,000 square foot facility in Stevenage by next year, which will house our bioservices, our logistics, and with time we will also be integrating IntegraCell. Along with that, we are about to open doors to our Paris facility. Will be an entire end-to-end global supply chain center for us in Paris. And along with that, close to 2000, I would say, beginning of 2026, we'll be opening another big facility in Santa Ana, California, which will be, again, providing end-to-end all the way from cryopreservation to bioservices, logistics, everything that we do as a Cryoport System company. As I mentioned, we offer, not many of you know, and but we do offer a huge range of consulting services for our clients, which is all the way from any shipping risk assessment to the lane validations, any custom trainings that is needed for your, your person in the logistics side of your company. We also do shipper and package qualification. We can also develop custom SOPs for you guys. We also do a lot of custom packaging that, a client might be needing a certain kind of packaging that's needed for this shipper. We can do that. We have also designed some very unique shippers as part of our offering, along with, working with our clients. One good example is the elite shipper that has just come, and it was a very collaborative work with Sarepta, and a part of that we came up with the UltraClip, which is great for gene therapy, which can control between the -60 to -80. So at the end, I would like to say that, for us, it's very critical and it's very important that we stand by, our quality of the products and the solutions we provide. We stand by it, and we are a fully integrated solution provider, as I said, all the way from cryopreservation to bioservices to logistics to consulting. We have existing facilities, and we are opening 3 big facilities in the next 1 to 2 years across the globe. We also are present in APAC, so if any of you are looking for some solutions in the APAC, we work very closely with our CryoPDP sister company in Tokyo. And risk mitigation is the huge thing for us, because with cell and gene therapy, we cannot take any chance with the patient material or the final drug product that has to go, right? And there's time sensitivity, there cannot be any contamination, so we make sure that we take care of those, and we're huge on the risk mitigation side and making sure that we are providing you quality service across our platform. And that should be the... Just, I think I don't need to repeat this slide. Many of the speakers have covered this, but cannot be more exciting time for cell and gene therapy with everything that's going on and with so many approvals coming and 14 plus, gene therapy, cell therapies in the pipeline for approval for this year. It's a game changer for cell. Personally, I've been in this cell and gene therapy space for over 15 years, and I know there was a time where we thought, we don't know which direction this is going to go, and to see it, where is it today, it's just phenomenal. It's fantastic. So looking forward to the growth of this industry. We all are here. We have a table here. My colleagues are here today. So if you have any further questions, please reach out to us. We'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Thank you so much.